Thank you for taking the time to learn about the Unified School District of De Pere's November 5th Critical Maintenance, Safety, and Security Referendum. Here first is some background information. The Unified School District of De Pere has always had a history of strong academic achievement. According to the Wisconsin Department of Public Instruction in their latest report card, De Pere was the 13th highest achieving school district out of 368 in the state. In Brown County, we ranked number 1. We achieved this despite maintaining one of the lowest mill rates, which is the amount you pay for school taxes in Brown County. We consistently strive to deliver an outstanding education for our students while being conservative with taxpayer dollars. Since you, the voters, approved a referendum this past April, you may be wondering why De Pere has another referendum on the November ballot. The April referendum was to provide funds for ongoing operational costs due to inflation and state funding that has not kept pace with costs. However, money from the operational referendum cannot be used for major building repair and construction projects, and unfortunately, tight budgets in past years have not allowed the district to set aside sufficient funds for the major building repairs that are needed. To pay for those repairs, we are asking voters to approve a facilities or capital referendum in November. So what exactly is on this referendum? Based on feedback from a community-wide survey in the fall of 2023 and public feedback gathered by the administration and the Board of Education, the money in this referendum will only go toward fixing significant issues in our current buildings. There are no new buildings or building additions included in this November referendum. Specifically, some safety and security items include upgrades to our communication system to allow clear direct communication between and within buildings and public safety agencies in case of an emergency or crisis. Modifying the main entrance at Dickinson Elementary to make it consistent with the district's other buildings, modernizations of our fire alarm system, fixing pavement, and modifying classrooms to make sure that we can accommodate all users. In addition, both Heritage Elementary and the middle school would gain backup generators to match the other buildings. The other proposed building repair or replacement projects are listed here. These projects can be difficult to visualize, but like the furnace in your house, your roof, or your plumbing, they are fundamental to the efficient operation of our schools. At its August 19th meeting, the Board of Education approved a preliminary mill rate of $6.45 for the 2024-25 school year. Due to an increase in our equalized value and additional funds for schools provided by the state of Wisconsin, this is lower than what the district projected prior to the April referendum. If the critical maintenance, safety, and security referendum passes, the mill rate would increase by 40 cents. This amount also is subject to the state finalizing its pupil count and the amount of shared revenue in late October. Thank you for taking the time to learn about the Unified School District of De Pere's November 5th Critical Maintenance, Safety, and Security Referendum. Please visit our referendum webpage for more information, and don't forget to vote on November 5th.